Welcome to Remoquip. The Remoquip system has revolutionized remote machine operation, creating safe working environments even on the most hazardous projects. Health and safety is moved to a new level due to Remoquip remote control solutions on a large range of machines. The system can be fitted to a broad range of standard machines, enabling remote operation on demand. These machines retain their ability to operate as standard machines when the system is switched off. Remoquip is taking health and safety considerations and compliance to new levels in the following industries: demolition, landmine removal, excavation of ordnance, operation in steel plants for furnace cleaning, working in areas of smoke fumes and radiation, natural disasters, ship loading and unloading, removal of hazardous material, removal of explosive material, chemical spills, tank cleaning and sludge removal, excavation, rock breaking in dangerous environments, mining, construction work, enabling disabled persons to operate equipment. Any situation where it's safe or more convenient to operate remotely. The Remoquip system is available worldwide. Reduce your exposure to health and safety risks. Work safely. Make your company a safe place to work. For more information, contact Remoquip.com.